it's been so long since I've done a video for YouTube. I forgot how to do my settings. My hair is a complete mess, so please ignore that. I just didn't want to have it up and look like I was a boy. Not that there's anything wrong with looking like a boy, I just don't feel like that vibe today. So, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know, it's like my new thing now. I feel like doing a I'm sorry for being away video again, but at this point I'll probably have to go do a playlist for all the times I've been away. Just know that my head's a mess, so I'm gonna work on it. Anyway, this look, unfortunately I haven't filmed for. I did a live for a brand on Facebook which is called Black Heart Beauty UK, so if you do want to check them out, we'll leave the link down below. So it's the pigment is their products, the lashes are their products. I've even got a bit of pigment as a highlight. They're really lovely and I do lives with them now, so if you do want to check me out live, make sure you like their page. I also do lives on my own page, which is Bex Beauty, so I'll be sure to like that as well. Anyway, the reason I am here today is obviously to film a video, but one of the main reasons is I have got the new Tribe beauty box. Now if you are regular watchers on my channel, you might remember 2018 December 2018 at Christmas time, I won a box on a makeup page on Facebook and got sent one. Well, since then they now have a EU distributor, so you never really had fees anyway, but you had to pay more in shipping to get it to you, but now it's a lot cheaper, it's all one price and it comes straight to you once it's once it's dispatched, so you don't have to wait ages and it's not coming from Canada. So the box is the same beautiful box. I have not opened it, so this is going to be new for you as it is for me. Let me see if let me get my scissors. Would well feel from organised, so I wanted it to all be new for us both. Us all. So I'm just going to open it with my trusty scissors. I feel like really rusty for YouTube. Incidentally, while we're on the thing of social medias, I have got a TikTok now. Someone said it was good for makeup. I just think it's full of youngsters and I'm not cool enough. Anyway. So, the first thing I'm going to jump into is the Bella Pierre HD setting spray. I've never tried Bella Pierre's setting sprays before, so that'll be a good one to have. I might actually use it in my kit as well, although HD, does that mean it'll have flashback? I don't know. Oh, and it says, miss 2 or 4 times in an X and a T. Yeah, that's a good one to know. So yeah, that is a good one to have. I will let you know how I get on with that. Ooh. Oh, priming is everything. The Balm Neutral Eyeshadow Primer. That's well cool. So it's like a cream eyeshadow primer. So, oh, I will definitely be trying that out because, not that you'll know this because I'm never on here anymore, but my eyes are getting a bit dry now, so I don't like using concealer all the time, especially one that's dry and like Shape Tape, but it is what it is. So the next thing you get is a Cargo Cosmetics powder blush. I'm not sure if it means a loose powder because the tin that it's in, let me just, yeah, because that's what the packaging looks like. I feel like you're really close to me. Is that a bit better? The shade is Laguna. Let's have a look. Oh no, it is a pressed one. That is a beautiful peach shade. Oh, I love that. That is stunning. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. And the packaging's quite cute, you know, different. So I like that, and that's by Cargo. Then you get an LA Splash Cosmetics. What are you? Oh, a diamond lip gloss. I love lip gloss. This is in the shade Divinity. I am divine. Let me just get into it. Oh my god, wait till you see the packaging. Look at the packaging. It's got like a little wee gem on it. So it's the typical LA Splash packaging, to be honest, but apart from like the top. And it's in a peachy orange shade, which is really pretty, and it looks quite yeah, quite opaque. That is a really pretty colour. Maybe a bit too dark for you, bright for you to see that, but yeah, that is a really pretty colour and I love the packaging, so I'll definitely be trying that. And it goes with the blush, so that's a bonus. And finally you get a It's a Brights palette by Ruby May. Now, I did know I was getting this in it because you had the option to choose which one you wanted. There were 3 to choose from. I think there was a neutral, a dark and a bright, and I wanted brights because I just like brights. So packaging is really cute. I'm loving that. Wow, look at those shades. That is absolutely stunning. So it looks like it's 5 mattes, 2 foils, and then one's like a glitter matte. This one's got like some sort of glitter reflect through it. That green is epic. I'm definitely going to be doing a video with this palette, so we'll watch this space because that is stunning. I'm really glad I went for the light one. Let me just do some swatches. Look at those. Ooh, the mattes are really creamy. Like, you know, really like velvet. Yes. I know it's a bit bright. Let me see if I can go back a bit. I don't know. It's not really going to do anything, is it? But yes, that has got some pigment in it, so I'm really excited for that. So that is the box. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you always get 5 things in it. They're always full-size items, and especially if you're in the UK like me, it's stuff that you might not necessarily get in the UK. So a few of those things we could get in the UK, but I don't know if we actually have them now. They're like, the only place I've ever seen cargo is TK Maxx, like the old stuff. So it is nice to try, and I think this box cost me £30, I want to say. That's with shipping and everything included. So and it's every 2 months. I'm pretty sure that's what it said, every 2 months. So if you get a beauty box monthly, which is about £15, it's just the equivalent of that, only you're not ending up with a load of sample size stuff and a load of black eyeliners, which they always seem to give you in the beauty boxes around at the moment. So if you do want to try it, I will leave the link down below for you to give it a shout out, for you to give a browse. Like I say, it is a really, really nice box. I did like my first one as well, so it was definitely worth it. I'm going to love you and leave it because I'm waffling on. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I know I've been off for a while. If you do want to hit subscribe to wait for more content, I will love you forever. We are aiming for 1,500 subscribers by Christmas. I know it's a big ask when I don't do videos often, but that's what I'm aiming for. So if you want to see more from me, do hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm doing a lot with my hands on. I just feel like I'm I'm gonna love you and leave. I keep saying that. I'm gonna go. Thanks very much for watching. Bye guys. This is so awkward.